The word we'll be learning in this video is kangeki, which you will often hear in emotional moments, expressions of thanks, and when praising someone. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "I was deeply moved by your speech," "I'm truly grateful for your help," and "She was really impressed by the performance" in Japanese. Let's get started. Kangeki. Kangeki. The word kangeki means being deeply moved emotionally or greatly impressed. It most often describes a strong feeling when something touches your heart, like a moving speech, a generous act, or an unforgettable performance. You can also use it to express heartfelt gratitude when you feel profoundly thankful. In simple terms, kangeki means to be deeply moved or sincerely grateful. The first kanji means feeling or sense. It often appears in words about emotions and reactions. For example, kanji means a feeling, and kanjo means emotion. In both words, this kanji carries the sense of an internal response or sensation. The second kanji means intense or violent. It is used in words describing strong actions or strong emotions. For example, hageshi means intense or fierce, and gekido means rage. In these words, the kanji shows an extreme degree or powerful force. Was deeply moved, polite. Thank you very much. Kangeki shimashita. Kangeki shimashita. To move someone deeply. To cause someone to feel grateful. Kangeki saseru. Kangeki saseru. The most common synonyms of the kangeki is kando and kammei. Kando is a general term for being emotionally moved, movies, music, events, and is used more broadly and casually than kangeki. Kammei emphasizes a lasting or strong impression and often carries a sense of admiration or respect, making it slightly more formal or intellectual than kangeki. The most common antonyms of the kangeki is mukanshin and deitang. Mukanshin denotes lack of interest or indifference, which directly contrasts the strong feeling implied by kangeki. Deitang describes a cool or cold attitude and suggests emotional distance or detachment, a more negative and sometimes harsher opposite to the warmth of kangeki.